At the end of a person's life, modern medical care excels at tracking the physical body. We monitor heart rates, manage pain with precise medication, and ensure physical comfort down to the hour. But beneath that intense physical monitoring, dying patients often face a quieter psychological pain, the erosion of their personhood, and the deep, unsettling fear that they will be forgotten. Psychologists identify the solution to this fear as generativity. It is the innate human drive to create or do something of value that outlasts our own lifespan. Treating a dying patient's physical symptoms while ignoring that core need to leave a mark leaves a devastating void of meaning in their final days. Addressing that void requires moving past the IV drips and stepping into a different kind of bedside care. Dignity therapy is a brief, targeted psychological intervention built specifically to provide the dying patient with a sense of generativity and legacy. Unlike a standard life review, dignity therapy avoids a dry, historical timeline of a person's past. Instead, it focuses on a curated recounting, capturing only the specific ideas, their most defining moments, and personal thoughts that the patient deems most valuable to pass on to others. This protocol takes the abstract, existential fear of fading away and channels it into a concrete, clinical process. The entire process begins right at the bedside. A practitioner sits with the patient and listens with absolute empathy, genuine interest, and unconditionally positive care. The session follows a specific series of legacy questions, carefully designed to guide the patient's reflection toward their own sense of meaning. They ask about peak experiences. When did you feel most alive? They explore life roles. What important roles have you played, and what did you accomplish? Then, focus shifts forward, asking for specific advice or guidance they wish to pass along to loved ones. Once the patient has finished speaking, the practitioner transcribes these answers into a tangible, permanent written document. Capturing these reflections in a physical format provides immediate relief by guaranteeing that the patient's voice and hard-won wisdom are now protected from time. For the patient, holding that completed legacy document changes their internal perspective before they die. First clinical trials show 91% of patients were satisfied with the therapy, and 86% found it helpful. Deeper data is equally significant. 76% experienced an increased sense of dignity, while 68% reported an increased sense of purpose. Qualitative feedback shows the therapy helps patients organize jumbled, chaotic emotions into a clear and meaningful perspective. Seeing their life on paper often triggers a revelation. Many patients realize that what they previously viewed as a boring life was actually full of unique accomplishments. By documenting these answers, patients reclaim their sense of self-worth, countering the crisis of meaning as their life draws to a close. After the patient passes away, the physical legacy document remains, passing into the hands of the surviving family. Now, the therapy's impact reaches beyond the deceased to support the people left behind to grieve. Facing mortality and wanting to be remembered are universal human experiences. Recording these memories through dignity therapy functions as a forward-reaching act of generativity. This intervention simultaneously restores dignity to the dying while drastically reducing the suffering of the living. Through these recorded conversations, the final days of life result in a permanent, healing legacy.